Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to look for products using the strategy called Storefront Stalking, right? But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls for sellers like you. It's also a good place for other sellers to network with others inside my group. So that said, this is the video for today. And this is how you guys do Storefront Stalking using Seller Amp, right? So the first step is for you guys to open up a listing of a product that you've sold in the past, right? And then from here, you guys would go on Seller Amp, right? Go to the bottom of the listing, and then go to Offers. And then once you guys go to Offers, I would pick a storefront here with, I want to say 100 or less ratings. And the reason is, if a store has 100 or less ratings, they're probably doing online arbitrage or RA, right? Which is the same thing that we're doing. So yeah, right there, I click on this store right there called J. Lawrence Distribution, and then the storefront opened up, and then I would pick some products from his store, right? So for example, this one is a good one. So I would click here under Amazon, and then I would click on Google Shopping. And then I also like at this number. I look at the max cost because it gives me it makes it easier for me, right? To look for the exact product and also look at the maximum cost of the product. Meaning for the numbers to make sense, the maximum cost of this product from the supplier needs to be $18.16 or less, right? Okay. So here we go. We're gonna keep looking. I see the product, but the problem is it's over $18, right? 18, 16. This one is close. So I would try this out if the numbers make sense. I don't see any more. Okay. And you can even do this too. Right there, you can type in the maximum cost. Right there, so 1816, right? So type it there, apply. And obviously it's not there, so filters. Okay, where is this from? Visit the website. So Canadian dollar. Let's see. So 40.57 Canadian dollars, right? Canadian dollars to USD. So it's not gonna work. This one is $30, so yeah, this one's not gonna work. Hold on a second. Well, 21.74 it says, so not understanding. Yeah, I'm not understanding why this is more than $27. But anyways, we're just gonna skip that product, and we're gonna keep it moving. Okay, right there. So maximum cost of this product is $26.88. So if you guys want, you can type it here, $26.88. Okay, I think it's there. eBay, it's used. Nope. So this one's under product. Maximum cost for this one is $13.13. So again, we can type it here, $13.13. Let me see. I think we found it. Let's see. So it's right there, Lakeside couldn't. Okay. Could this be it? I think this is it, right? Hold on a second. So 12.99, right? 12.99. Oh yeah, this is good. You got this product. It's here too. So yeah, I think this is the product. So here we go. We found one product that we can sell. Um, yeah, I think we found it right there. Perfect, right? So there you go. And then from here we can just double check the numbers. So this one's giving us a 60% ROI. I mean, it's looking good. Yeah, this one is good. So sales per month is 170. It's a variation. So I will look at the variations right there. Pick the variation. Check it. Okay, so this variation is getting 100% of the sales. So this means this product is getting 170 sales a month right there. Yeah, this one's looking good. I think we found one product from the seller. So yeah, I think it's good, right? So now we order like 5 to 10 pieces. We ship it to if you have a prep center, you ship it to the prep center. If you don't, you ship it to yourself, and then from there you unpack and prep it, and then you ship it to Amazon, right? So there's that. And again, um just just to recap my video, this is how you guys do storefront stalking, right? So you guys start with an online arbitrage product or an R8 product that you've sold in the past. You go to the product's listing, and then you guys go to offers right there. You pick a seller that you like with 100 or less ratings. So, for example, this one we pick the seller right there. You go to the seller store right there, and then from here you do a reverse search on every single product inside the store, right? So I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm gonna put the link in my description below. That way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.